My name is Elaine Vickers and this is my Cancer Basics video series. In this video, I'll describe how our immune system detects and kills cancer cells. You might be surprised to know that all our cells are communicating with our immune system all the time. I'll explain to you how this works. I'll start with a quick reminder that cells contain chromosomes. Chromosomes are made of DNA, and in our DNA are genes, the instructions for making lots and lots of proteins. Cells are constantly making new proteins and recycling old ones. The protein recycling machines in our cells are called proteasomes. Unwanted proteins are fed in one end and protein fragments, or peptides, are spat out the other. Some of these peptides get processed further and then laid inside little cups called MHC proteins, and then these cups get taken to the cell surface. White blood cells that pass by take a look inside these little cups. If there's the usual number of cups, and if the peptides inside the cups look normal, then the white blood cells move on to the next cell. Now let's see what happens with a cancer cell. Cancer cells contain mutations in their DNA, so they're making faulty proteins. Faulty proteins get recycled by proteasomes and split up into little peptides. Some of these peptides come from faulty proteins, and they end up inside the MHC cups on the cancer cell surface. Peptides that come from faulty proteins are called neoantigens. Neoantigens are what white blood cells, like the cytotoxic T cells, are looking for and what they react to. If they spot neoantigens inside a cell's MHC cups, the T cell reacts. It releases toxic enzymes and those kill the cell. Another type of white blood cell interested in MHC cups is NK cells. These will kill any cell that's missing its cups, and that's a common feature of virus-infected cells, and it also happens to cancer cells. So NK cells are another way our body protects us from cancer. Macrophages are another type of white blood cell. They can spot when cells are damaged or they're showing signs of stress or general ill health, and they'll also kill cancer cells. To recap, our cells are constantly communicating with our immune system, and they're showing the immune system what's going on inside them. They do this by displaying peptides from the proteins they're making inside the MHC cups on their surface. If cancer cells display peptides from faulty proteins, called neoantigens, then the T cells of our immune system will respond. White blood cells called NK cells and macrophages also kill cells that are showing other signs of damage, and all of this protects us from cancer.